A lot of people believe blurry vision is simply something that comes with age, almost like it's a normal part of getting older that you're supposed to live with. You wake up and your eyes feel dry, irritated, almost sandy. You glance at a menu, and after a second, the words start to blur together. Or maybe nighttime driving has become stressful, where bright headlights leave you squinting and holding the steering wheel tighter than before. But here's what many people never get told. Blurred vision is not always just aging. Yes, growing older does make the eyes more delicate. According to leading eye health organizations, after age 60, the risk rises sharply for issues like dry eye syndrome, cataracts, macular degeneration, and even sudden vision changes in one eye. And what makes this more concerning is that vision problems are increasing faster than ever. The most overlooked reason? A lot of the damage may be happening while you sleep. At night, when your body is supposed to be resting and restoring itself, your retina, the light-sensitive layer at the back of the eye, may not always receive enough oxygen and nourishment. Over time, those fragile cells responsible for sharp vision can begin to weaken silently, slowly, gradually, without obvious warning. This hidden nighttime breakdown is one of the major reasons so many people notice blurry vision only after the damage has already progressed. So the real question becomes, why is your vision getting blurry? And is there a natural way to support it without relying only on expensive medications or invasive procedures? Here's the honest answer. Most conventional options like eye drops, stronger prescriptions, and even surgery often focus on managing symptoms. They rarely address the underlying causes such as oxidative stress, chronic inflammation, and poor retinal circulation. Recent scientific findings have shown that age-related retinal decline often begins with silent oxidative damage and inflammation deep inside the eye, especially during the nighttime repair cycle. Now here's the encouraging part. Emerging research suggests that several common fruits contain compounds that support retinal blood flow, nourish photoreceptor cells, and may help slow the progression of age-related vision decline. In simple terms, the right nutrients before bed may help support clearer vision naturally while your eyes go through their overnight recovery process. And here's the surprising twist. The number one fruit on this list contains a rare natural compound linked to helping delay lens clouding associated with cataracts. My name is Dr. Liam Foster, and for decades I've helped older adults protect their eyesight using science-based nutritional strategies. Today, I'm going to show you 7 powerful fruits that may help support eye repair overnight, along with the best way to use each one. Before we begin, I'd love to know, where are you watching from today? Drop your city or country in the comments below. I truly love seeing this growing worldwide community of people who believe vision loss does not have to be accepted as inevitable. And one quick note before we start. This information is educational and should never replace personalized medical care. If you're noticing sudden blurry vision, eye pain, flashes, floaters, or any other changes, please consult a licensed eye specialist before changing your diet or supplements. Now let's begin with number 7. Fruit number 7, kiwi. Small, fuzzy, and easy to overlook, kiwi may be one of the most underrated fruits for aging eyes. As we grow older, the retina becomes more vulnerable to oxidative stress. Those light-sensitive cells begin to wear down, which can lead to difficulty seeing road signs, increased glare from headlights, and fuzzy morning vision. Kiwi helps because it's naturally rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 carotenoids that act like internal sunglasses for your eyes. They help filter harmful blue light and support retinal protection overnight. Kiwi also contains antioxidants and naturally occurring serotonin-supportive compounds that may improve restorative sleep, which matters because deep sleep is when much of your eye recovery takes place. Studies involving older adults have shown that consuming golden kiwi regularly may improve visual sharpness while also reducing morning dryness and redness. Best way to use it? Eat 2 golden kiwis about 1 hour before bed. Golden kiwi tends to contain more lutein and is gentler on the stomach at night. Pro tip: leave a thin layer near the skin when scooping it out. The area just beneath the peel contains extra antioxidant compounds. Fruit number 6. Watermelon. Most people think of watermelon as a summer snack, but it can be incredibly supportive for eye hydration. One common cause of blurry morning vision is nighttime dryness and sluggish retinal circulation. Because watermelon is over 90% water, it helps improve hydration levels while you sleep. But beyond hydration, it's rich in lycopene, an antioxidant linked to reduced oxidative damage in retinal tissue and possible support against cataracts and macular decline. The pale white rind also contains citrulline, which may support healthy blood vessel function and improve circulation. Best way to use it: have 1 to 2 cups of chilled seedless watermelon about 30-45 minutes before bed. Pro tip: blend a little of the white rind into a smoothie for added circulation support. Fruit number 5, black currants. These small dark berries are incredibly powerful for nighttime vision support. Black currants are loaded with anthocyanins, plant pigments known to calm inflammation, support blood vessel flexibility, and improve retinal circulation. This is especially important for older adults who struggle with halos around lights, poor low-light vision, or nighttime eye strain. Research has shown black currant extracts may help improve optic nerve blood flow and support healthier visual field stability over time. They may also help the eyes adapt faster when moving from bright light into darkness. Best way to use it: take 50 mg black currant anthocyanin extract in the evening, especially if fresh berries are hard to find. Pro tip: pair with a few walnuts for better absorption. Fruit number 4, wild blueberries. Blueberries are excellent, but wild blueberries are even better. They target oxidative wear in the photoreceptors, the tiny retinal cells responsible for detail, focus, and night vision. Wild blueberries are rich in highly absorbable polyphenols and anthocyanins that may support DNA repair inside these delicate eye cells. Research in older adults has linked daily wild blueberry intake with improved visual clarity and reduced nighttime screen strain. Best way to use it: eat 2-3 cup wild blueberries about 45 to 60 minutes before sleep. Important: avoid combining them with dairy since milk proteins may reduce anthocyanin absorption. Fruit number 3, red dragon fruit. This exotic fruit is one of the best choices for supporting oxygen delivery to the eyes. If your eyes often feel tired even after a full night's sleep, poor nighttime oxygenation may be part of the problem. Red dragon fruit contains betalains, powerful antioxidants that help support nitric oxide production and healthy capillary circulation. Better blood flow means improved oxygen and nutrient delivery to retinal tissue overnight. Best way to use it: eat half a red-fleshed dragon fruit about 1 hour before bed. Pro tip: chew the seeds well. They contain helpful omega fats and magnesium. Fruit number 2, goji berries. Goji berries are one of the most research-supported fruits for protecting the macula. The macula controls your central vision, reading, facial recognition, fine detail, and color sharpness. Goji berries are exceptionally rich in zeaxanthin, which specifically concentrates in the macula and acts like a protective shield. Studies in adults aged 60-80 found regular goji berry intake increased macular pigment density and supported central vision preservation. Best way to use it: soak 2 tablespoons dried goji berries in warm water for 10 minutes, then eat them 30-45 minutes before bed. Pro tip: pair with a small piece of dark chocolate for flavonoid synergy. Fruit number 1, papaya, and now the most powerful fruit on this list. Papaya helps fight one of the most overlooked causes of cloudy vision: glycation damage. This is when excess sugar-related compounds attach to proteins in the eye, contributing to lens clouding and retinal stress. Papaya contains enzymes and antioxidants that may help reduce this process while also strengthening tear production and retinal resilience. It's especially helpful for people dealing with dry eyes, cloudy mornings, or early lens changes. Best way to use it: eat 1 cup ripe papaya cubes about 1 hour before bed. Pro tip: add a squeeze of fresh lime juice to enhance vitamin A support. The 5 rules that make these fruits work better. These matter just as much as the fruits themselves. 1. Avoid dairy nearby. Wait at least 90 minutes after milk or yogurt. 2. Add healthy fat walnuts, flax oil, or avocado. Improve absorption. 3. Wash gently. Avoid aggressive scrubbing that removes antioxidant-rich skins. 4. Let fruit reach room temperature. This helps preserve delicate enzymes. 5. Timing matters. The sweet spot is 60 to 90 minutes before sleep. So now you know, blurry vision is not always just age. In many cases, hidden nighttime stress is part of the problem. And with the right fruits, eaten the right way, you may help support your eyes during their natural overnight repair cycle. Imagine reading without squinting, driving at night with confidence, seeing your loved ones' faces in sharp detail again. That's what these simple habits are really about, protecting your independence, comfort, and joy. Now I want to ask you something. If your vision became 30% clearer tomorrow morning, what's the first thing you'd want to look at? Tell me in the comments below, and if this helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone over 60 who cares about protecting their eyesight naturally. Remember, with the right knowledge and a few consistent habits, you can take meaningful steps toward clearer vision and healthier aging. This is Dr. Liam Foster. Take care of your eyes. They are precious,